You have certainly heard about carbohydrates. They are all over food labels. You see them in packages of cheese, in cans of soda, or in sachets of sugar. Besides, it's likely that you've heard that carbohydrates are bad for your health. For instance, if you check the label of a package of rice, you will see that there is a value corresponding to carbohydrates. But what exactly are them? Carbohydrates are sugar molecules, also known as carbs. The word carbohydrate itself explains what is its composition. While carbo stands for the atom carbon, hydrate refers to water, which is composed of two hydrogen atoms and an oxygen atom. It means that carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. But if you're asking, what is the point of all of this? What is the role of carbohydrates? Well, the main function of carbohydrates is to provide energy to the body through a process known as cellular respiration that consists of three metabolic processes: glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. If you want me to make a detailed video about these processes, let me know in the comments. Now let me sum up how carbohydrates produce energy. When you ingest carbohydrates, they are broken down into simple sugars with the help of an enzyme named amylase that is primarily produced by the salivary glands and the pancreas. As a matter of fact, the breakdown of carbohydrates begins as soon as they are in the mouth and proceeds when the pancreas releases these enzymes in the intestine. These simple sugars are gradually absorbed into the bloodstream through intestinal villi, and as the sugar level rises, the pancreas releases a hormone named insulin, which moves sugar from the blood into the cells. At this stage, bonds of glucose are broken down, liberating energy that is captured by molecules in the mitochondria. Every time you breathe, oxygen converts energy into ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, which powers all of the activities of your body. Carbohydrates are made up of three components: sugar, fiber, and starch. In addition to this, there is a difference of paramount importance between carbohydrates, that is to say, the division between simple and complex carbohydrates depending on the number of molecules that they contain. While sugar is a simple carb, fiber and starch are complex carbohydrates. On the one hand, at a nutritious level, simple carbohydrates enter briskly the bloodstream as they are immediately broken down, which provokes a hike in the energy levels, followed by a sudden crush of fatigue. Simple carbohydrates are found in natural sugars that may contain vitamins, minerals, and fibers. For instance, honey, watermelon, and maple syrup are simple sugars. However, most of the people consume sugars that are refined, which provide calories and do not contain vitamins, minerals, and fibers. This is the reason why these added sugars can lead to weight gain. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates are digested more slowly, giving a filling sensation and leading to weight control. Fibers and starches are examples of complex carbs, as we have said. Some types of fibers are nuts and beans, whereas some types of food that contain high levels of starch are rice and cereal. Well guys, this is all for this video. If you found it useful, leave a like, and if you want to be part of this channel, subscribe. It's free. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!